drawing with a goddess. You are a drawing with a goddess.
A B B B C C C D D D. Hello everyone. Alright, so today, from that wonderful intro, we're gonna be drawing Wolverine pouring drinks for his friends at a party. Boom. So he's at a party and he stabbed a beer and now he's pouring 3 drinks at a time for his friends. So that's his amazing party trick, you know. So you should at least know one party trick. That's his go-to. He's all like, anybody want drinks? Y'all 3? Oh. Game over. You know what I'm saying? That's why everyone loves this guy. You know, he's there for his people. So, all right. So we're gonna set this up. And we're gonna draw it. Cool. All right, then everybody, we are all set up, players and playerettes. Okay. So this is the original artwork here. Look at that masterpiece. Look at that. Wolverine. Did you guys miss him? I low-key missed him. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. He's all... I don't think he missed us, though. Look at him. He's just out partying and stuff. Thanks for the invite, you know? Damn. Shh. Shh. All right. All right, so there's the original, and we're going to just go for it. So, we're going to start over here up top. We'll go not too high, but, you know, we're going to start out with this wonderful eyes. Oh, let me make sure I'm in frame, dude. Oh my goodness, I got these little markings on the side so I can so I can be in frame. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna start out with his eyes here. So he's having a great day, you know what I'm saying? Out partying with his friends, you know. Probably like a birthday party, you know, because he always wants to celebrate for people, you know. He's always there with his happiness, you know. Let's move this over here. There it is. So we have his eyes. Boom. Favorite part of the drawing. This guy. All right. Let's adjust this real quick though. Let's make this eye a little bit smaller and then make the other one bigger. Because he's like facing this way. So we're gonna go boom. And then boom. There we go. What? Look at this guy. Alright. Now we're gonna draw his mask. Up. And then boom. You can do it as high as you want. Let's do his mouth first. I forgot. Let's do the bottom part of his mask. Boom. Look at that guy. He's having a good day, you know? He's having a good day with that Wolverine. Welcome back, sir. Welcome back, you know? We missed you. Boom, we're gonna go like this, like that. Look at that. And then we're gonna go up here. And then... boom. And then over. What? Look at that guy. He's just having the time of his life, you know? I feel like these are the years he's living his best life, you know? Just no worries at all, you know? Like, he can fight if he wanted to, you know what I'm saying? You know? Okay. But he's just living right now, you know? He's just living for him. It's awesome. Let's just erase these little top parts here. Perfection. Boop. Boop. Look at that guy. All right. Now, let's draw the beer. Let's draw the beer right here. Then we can get the other objects later. Okay, so we're just going to do the beer. So we're going to position. Boop. What kind of beer do you think he drinks? I'm gonna go with Guinness, you know. Cause I low-key like Guinness. Alright, so there's this little beer can. You gotta pop it open, you know what I'm saying, so we can get it all Get it all flowing here. Then we have his claw. His little mitten. Boom. Erase this little part right here. And then we're gonna have his claws. Cha cha cha. Look at that fool. Fool's vicious. Man, that guy's vicious, dude. Look at it. But he's like, you know, he's done with that life, you know? He's just here living life, you know? And then let's get his body going real quick too. Let's just get his arm and everything. Boom. Boom. We're gonna get his mitten down here. What? Yeah. That's freaking awesome. You know, just as long as you're having fun, guys, we are golden, you know? Boom. Okay. Now let's get the okay, let's just do his whole body here. So we can position the table. So we go boom like this. His little feet. Boom like this, his feet. What? Look at that guy, man. Then let's get his armor here. Boom. Boom. Let's get his belt. What? Oh man, look at this guy right here. He's a good dude, man. You can just tell. You know, you can just tell when you look at people like they're just good people. This guy is one of them, you know? Look at that dude, man. That's so cool. Okay, now we're gonna have the table a little bit. Let's get the table going. Boom. Like so. Or let's get it. Yeah, that's fine. Boom. Let's erase his foot here. Yeah. Let's make it a little bit lower. So we can put the cups on the table. Let's make his leg a little bit longer. let's just adjust here. Let's do this. And then we're gonna make the legs a little bit longer. So we can bring the table a little bit lower. Boom. There it is. Fix his waist. Look at that guy. And then the table can go about right here. Look at that. That's amazing. Maybe a little bit higher. Boom. Look at that. You know? Alright. Are we having fun, guys? Are we having a great time? Alright, now. Boom. Boom. And then this is his belt. Boom. Look at that dude, man. Alright. Thank you for always joining me, guys. You guys are wonderful. Alright, so now we're gonna draw the mugs here. Look at these. Boom. These are like the mugs with the handles and stuff. Boom. What? Boom. Boom. What? You got a little flow right there. Shoosh. Shoosh. And then, look at that. Just flowing. Man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't you feel like you're missing out? Look how much fun he's having. Like, he's having the best time. You know? I bet all his friends are having the best time, too. Look at that. Wolverine pouring drinks for his friends at a party. Can he, like, invite us, though? You know? He's always out doing something, you know? He knows all I'm doing is freaking drawing. Can't invite nobody. Dang, Wolverine. Look at that guy. Guys, thank you for always joining. Like, this is fun. This is really, really fun. I'm glad you get to share this happiness with y'all. That's the main goal. That's really it. I love y'all so much, man. Wolverine, pouring drinks. for his friends at a party. Best title ever. I love y'all. Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you please be my neighbor? Cool. Alright, guys. So we did it. This is what y'all did today. Look at y'all's art. God, look, y'all are freaking killing it with each freaking drawing. You know what I'm saying? Great presentation, great fucking execution, great idea, great plan to execution to completion. Psh, who are you right now? You know what I'm saying? You are incredible. Alright, so this is what y'all did. Wolverine pouring drinks for his friends at a party. Hopefully he'll invite us the next time. Rude. Dang. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys always. You guys are the best. I love y'all so much. You guys are the bestest in the world. Always remember that. And you're beautiful. Y'all are always so beautiful. I love y'all. Peace. See y'all in the next one. Would you be mine? Would you please be my neighbor? Bye. Do 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 do. Yankees, Yankees, Yankees.